Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. So today I wanted to do a quick unboxing while I'm at home chilling. So yes, basically kind of like a snow day, plus it's President's Day, so the kids are out of school. Plus we just got 10 inches last night. So yeah, it's just a chill day. I have my robe on, I just got out the shower, did my makeup, and a package came. My Boxycharm came. It finally came in the mail, and I wanted to open it up with you guys to, you know, get a natural reaction and show you guys what I got in my subscription for the month of February. So if you're interested in seeing it, stay tuned, and also subscribe if you want to see more of my upcoming unboxings. So let's jump into it. So first off, it comes with this card right here. It's called the Afterglow, and it's going to give me a list of the products and the prices as well, with the items that are included in this month's box. So the first item I see here, this is how the box came. So I'm going to grab the first item. This is the first item. I wonder what this is. It says Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. Okay, that's pretty interesting. Let's see how it smells. Oh, they have a seal on it. Okay, now what I just did, do not copy me. Like, that is... Okay, before my camera cut off, we're going through this item. This is the Pharmacy. I think that's the name of it. I'll have it linked right there. It's called Clean Bee. This retails for $22. Next, I have a facial primer. I am so excited to try this because I've been seeing a lot of people use this in their tutorials. So I'm very interested in seeing how this will look on my face along with my foundation that I like to use. And I wanted to point out something real quick about the foundation that I use. So currently right now I'm using the CoverGirl in Soft Sable. This right now has been my favorite go-to foundation, just in case you guys are interested in knowing what foundation that I currently wear. So okay, so enough of that, let's get back on point. So this one is called, where is it at? Touch and Soul. This retails for $18. This is about an ounce of product. It's called No Problem Primer. So it's supposed to smooth and cover your pores. So yeah, hopefully I like this item. Next is this item right here. This is called Technique. I'll have it linked right there. This is the Prime and Glaze Lip Crown. It retails for $25. And I don't know about you guys, but I am not a fan of lip crayons. Yeah, I have so many because the colors are gorgeous, but I don't end up using them because I'm not really a fan. I like liquid lipsticks that are matte, but anyway, let's go carry on. And the next item is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. This is one of my favorites that I own. This retails for $24, so I'm very excited to have that in my subscription for this month. And last but not least, this is the Pretty Vulgar. This is a Shimmering Swan Highlighter. So I did put a little bit on my nose right here, so hopefully you guys can tell. And I'm a little surprised because this retails for $32. There is no way I would pay that much for this. So I'm so happy that I got this in my subscription this month, because there's no way I would have bought that. But it's a pretty shimmer, so yeah, I see why it's $32, but I'm glad I got it in my subscription. So yeah, that is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys found this informative. If you did, If you did, oh my gosh, please thumbs up. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos. And check out my makeup. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. Bye.